Nutrition, food supplying system. Why do living organisms need food? Food is needed by all living organisms, mainly for growth and repair. Several organisms need food to maintain body temperature as well. Food gives us energy. We use this energy to do our daily life activities. Food gives us immunity. Do you know what is nutrition? What are the nutrients present in food? How green plants get their food? Nutrition, the process by which an organism takes food and utilizes it, is called nutrition. Need for nutrition. Organisms need the energy to perform various activities. The energy is supplied by the nutrients. Organisms need various raw materials for growth and repair. These raw materials are provided by nutrients. The mode of acquiring food varies from organism to organism. Nutrients. Materials which provide nutrition to organisms are called nutrients. Carbohydrates, proteins and fats are the main nutrients and are called macronutrients. Minerals and vitamins are required in small amounts and hence are called micronutrients. Nutrition is of two types: autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. The autotrophs can make their own food. Auto means self, tropho means feed. Heterotrophic nutrition. The heterotrophs depends on plants or other animals. Heterotrophic nutrition is of three types: saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, holozoic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is a kind of nutrition where the living organisms make their own food using simple substances which they get from their environment. The organisms that exhibit this type of nutrition are called autotrophs. Example, all green plants and blue-green algae are autotrophs. The autotrophs are the organisms capable of using light energy to synthesize chemical compounds. They acquire nutrients like minerals and water from soil, as well as some gases from the air. These compounds produced by them are utilized for providing energy to most of the living organisms. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants containing the green pigment chlorophyll build up complex organic molecules, glucose, from simple inorganic ones, carbon dioxide and water, using sunlight as an energy source. During this process, the solar energy is converted into chemical energy and carbohydrates are formed. Green leaves are the main site of photosynthesis. The green portion of the plant contains a pigment chlorophyll. Plants are called universal food providers. The whole process of photosynthesis can be shown by the following equation. Heterotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make its own food from simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water and depends on other organisms for food is called heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is of three types. First one, saprophytic nutrition. Some organisms like bread mold, yeast, mushrooms break down the dead and decaying organic matter outside the body and then absorb it. This type of nutrition is called saprophytic nutrition. All the decomposers follow saprophytic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition. In holozoic nutrition, the organisms take solid food. The digestion happens inside the body of the organism, that is, after the food is ingested. Most of the animals follow this mode of nutrition. Example, amoeba, human beings. Parasitic nutrition. The organism which lives inside or outside another organism, host, and derives nutrition from it is known as parasites. And this type of mode of nutrition is called parasitic nutrition. Example, cuscuta, tick, lice, leeches, and tapeworms. The cuscuta dodder plant has no chlorophyll, hence it absorbs food through hastoria. Hastoria are root-like structures that penetrates the tissue of a host plant and may kill it.